Welcome back, everybody. The question is in measuring the sides of a rectangle, is it right? And there will be error of 10% as well as 8%. You know the rectangle, is it right, is the form of a rectangle, and this you take it as x, so and this you take it as y-axis. Okay, just like a small graph. Do you understand? You can just draw a rectangle. Okay. So what they say is either x or y have 10% as well as 8%. There have some x's and some error available. Okay. So I'm telling you about the formula of finding an error. Okay, formula of finding error in a rectangle, which is given by. So you can find error percentage. Error percentage is given by. First of all, you have to add both sides, and you have to multiply the both sides which is having error. Okay, and they have to make it as divided by 100. That's very simple. And you know about the what is x, you take any of them. You can take x plus 10 or y to say, or vice versa, any of. But for simplicity, we take x as 10% and y 10% and y as 8%. It's no issues, no problem. So you can have 10 plus 8 plus, you can take a bracket 10 into 8 divided by 100. Okay, just make a bracket is always necessary. Okay, just go for 18 plus. What is 10 into 8? 80 divided by 100. You know that if you just cancel, you get 8 by 100. So it is equal to 18 plus what is 8 by 100 is 0. 8 by 10 is 0.8. So it's equal to 18.8 in terms of the percentage. Okay. So automatically you have to give the option as C. Okay, that's the answer. For any doubts, you can just make a comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.